A lot of persons put in over a year in time and effort to farm, say. Guess how much most people got after a year's work? $1,000? No. $2,000? No. $3,000? $10. Most people got $10 and the rest received nothing. If this was you, you spent over a year, wasted time, data, effort, and even gas fee for only $10. I don't think you will ever farm airdrops again. It's a no-brainer. Or maybe you are doing the wrong thing, because lots of people have earned thousands of dollars in farming airdrops, myself included. Now, here are 3 things to look out for that will increase your chances of winning big in airdrop. The first one is, does the project have large funding? When farming airdrops, don't bother with projects that lack huge funding or the interest of big investors. Why is this important? Because with enough funding, say $150 to $200 million or even above, the project will be able to hire the best staff, starting from the best developers to the best community managers. And as such, the project will run smoothly since it is in capable hand. Not only that, in addition, the amount of funding a project have can also determine the starting price of its token, because part of the funding will be used to add liquidity to the coin. The coin's liquidity will determine which centralized exchange will list the coin. Now, apart from VCs supplying the fund, they will also promote the project because their money is at stake. For example, ZK Sync has a total funding of $458 million, and Binance is one of their lead investors. It infers that the token, once it is launched, it will be listed on Binance, and it will also receive promotions from Binance. Other projects with big funding include Linear with over $700 million, Arbitrum with over $360 million in funding. Arbitrum listed on all top exchanges, and the least person that farmed that airdrop received about $600. Venom is currently rumored to have over $1 billion in funding. So, funding is number 1. The next thing to look out for is reward for participation. What do I mean? I'm referring to the projects that reward active users when they launch on mainnet. I mean the type of airdrops that reward users who are actively interacting with the platform. These are known as retroactive airdrops. This type of airdrops are the most rewarding. This is a type of airdrop that Uniswap, Optimism, Arbitrum, and others used. But you should also take this into account. Are you participating in the testnet or the mainnet? When Arbitrum and Optimism launched their airdrops, no portion of the airdrop was given to testnet users or those who participated in the community events. The airdrop was given only to mainnet users based on how frequently they use the network. For Sue, more than 1 million people engaged in the testnet and community events, but only 96,000 persons were randomly selected for the airdrop. Then say people spent over a year testing the network testnet, but at the end of the day, the airdrop was worth not more than $10. Look at it this way. When you use the mainnet, you are generating income for the platform from the network fees you pay. For testnet, you're not generating anything. So it is common sense that mainnet users will receive more in airdrop. So don't put a lot of time into testnets. So large funding, retroactive airdrops. What is number 3? Big community. The truth is that community is the heart of every project. By community, I mean people who are supporting and talking about the project. How many members does the project have across all their social media platforms that are not bots? How many influencers are talking about the project? Above all, the project itself. How active are they on their social media? Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and others. These are some of the questions that need to be answered to ascertain the commitment of the project, because a large community is a pointer to know if an airdrop is worth your time. This is how. A big community means many users will interact with the platform, and the platform will generate more money from fees, which adds to the initial funding they receive from VCs, thus increasing the project fund. And as we saw earlier, a project with ample funding will not likely disappoint airdrop farmers. Now, some projects that I'm farming that meet my criteria include ZK Sync, Linear, Base, Stacknet, and Layer 0. But there are some that don't meet this criteria that I go to once in a while, but I don't waste my time on them. But guys, there is a warning here. Always be careful with the links you click while participating in airdrop. Some of them might be phishing links that can collect the money you have in your wallet already. If you want a hands-on tutorial on how to farm airdrops, join my Telegram group. We hold DeFi classes 3 times a week. 2 more things. 1, I just finished creating a Phoebe Crypto Trading School, a step-by-step tutorial on how to trade profitably. To get started, go to phoebe.com and register. All the links are in the description. And number 2, give this video a like and drop a comment for me in the comment section. Tell me what you want me to talk about in the next video. I will see you in the group and in the next video.